welcome to this week's new release video. I'm so sorry that this is going up so late. This is now the second time I filmed this video. For some reason, YouTube is not processing my videos again, so I don't know what's going on. I tried to upload the original like 4 times, and I figure I'll try refilming it and see if that helps. So anyway, there is not the special price on these this week. However, if you are a member of the Facebook group, we have a Facebook group coupon this week, which actually brings these down to like $11.97 for the base kit. So I do keep that link down below. That coupon was released last night. These are already up in the shop. And I'm gonna try to get through this as quick as possible so that hopefully this video can finally be uploaded. It is now almost 3 p.m. So we have got 2 new collections this week, and the first one is called Ohana, and I am obsessed. It is Lilo and Stitch. The foil is holographic, and then I did some pretty big foil pieces in here. So you've got your surfboard, your, what is this, like a little tiki guy? It reminds me of the Polynesian at Disney. You've got Ohana, means family with Stitch, and then palm tree and a sun. You've got Lilo and Stitch down here on the beach. I'm not sure how well this is gonna show up. There we go. And then down here, these sea turtles. And then, yeah, so those are the full boxes. Your next sheet here has got, I'm gonna zoom you guys just a bit. You've got your boxes, your heart check, or your bow checklist, these scalloped banners, your appointment labels. These are all foil. And then your next sheet has got your headers. I just realized I switched these back to the other format, you guys. Oh man, I totally messed that up. And they have started printing, and they are like this on the website. So I guess they're gonna be like this week, and then I will attempt to remember to change them back. So you do have the today and the to-do. I had switched that back to just being the bows. Nobody mentioned that to me. I did make one other change though. Stephanie actually emailed me or messaged me through the Facebook page and asked if I could change these so that if you color block, you would have the correct colors to match. So what was happening was Thursday was a certain color, and then there were 2 of each of these for Thursday, and then for Monday and Friday there was only 1. So I did make that switch so that now you can color block with these, but I just totally, I'm sorry you guys, I totally blanked on switching these. I was working off of a different file. So yeah, for this week, again, you will have to do and today. You've got your washi down here, and then you have also got your flags and your boxes. I would go in and change that, but even though we've started printing, I would go in and oops those out, but we've already got people that have ordered since last night, so I really can't make that change anyway. So I'm sorry about that. Anyway, moving over, your bottom washi sheet has got your little, what is that called? It reminds me of like in Aruba, where they have the little houses on the water, and then over here you have got your flowers, date covers, bow washi, weekly tracker, daily tracker, and then your flags and your arrows. And then for the micro version of this kit, you have got your Ohana means family box, and then your little tiki guy here, date covers, headers, boxes, heart checklist. Next sheet has got your heart checklist, your weekly tracker, daily trackers, little things, washi, and boxes. And I'm just gonna kind of flip through this next one. I'm hoping the shorter the video that maybe it'll actually let me upload it. So the next one is called Nap Queen. These are your full boxes. I love this so much. So up here you've got the foiled bow, you've got your Nap Queen quote, and then you have got some of that confetti bow washi down here. I thought this was super cute. I know most of us are still kind of stuck inside right now, but I liked it was a little bit more of like a relaxing kit. Your next sheet here, you have got your boxes, checklist. Next sheet is headers, little things, and washi, and then your bottom washi has that confetti bow foiling as well. And then you've got your date covers, your bow washi, and then your flags and your trackers. And then next is your Nap Queen micro kit. So this has got the Nap Queen box as well as the bow box, date covers, boxes, bow headers, and yeah, so that is this week's new releases. Again, I'm so sorry this video is gonna be going up so late. If you are interested in that Facebook group coupon, I do keep the group link down below, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye guys.